Welcome back to DNA's Garage, and today we're going to be talking about how we turned this old, dirty looking seat into this brand new 2020 seat. Now this right here is made by me, custom made, and with the help of a couple cameraman and my dad. Shout out to my dad. So anyways, before we get any further with the video, I got a little story for y'all. So as you can see, I got a little vessel of myself. Well, yesterday I went out with a family member trying to be the best captain I can be once I get my vessel nice and registered, and it turns out that I was stranded in the middle of the ocean with no fuel. Man, what a story. But, cameraman, roll the clips.
Save these right quick. Hey Dennis.
So after you watch this video and you convince yourself that you can do this, because everybody can, let's start. So take off your seats of your favorite personal craft, find the damaged seat, then I'm going to show you how you get this off. So you see all these staples. Well, you pry all of them off and you make sure you don't leave any of them, because the new ones could rip the new leather that we are about to install. And after you have all of them, use the old leather as the new mold, and make sure you use marine leather. Power tools, where are you? So once you get the latch out, put it aside. You probably won't see that for now. Then we're probably gonna do a time lapse of all these staples, because there's a lot of them. So let's start the time lapse. Now we're taking off this coronavirus over here. Oh shit. looking better than before. Looking better than before. Yeah, damn. This bitch was all pain in the ass. But hey, we got it done. Ready to back on the fucking jet ski. Ready to be on top of the water. But hey, wait. Look how nice came out. Y'all dumbasses be paying $200 for this shit. Man, I be doing this shit in my backyard. Look at this shit. Who the f can't tell me this shit came from Yamaha like this? That's what I thought. You can't. Dumb bitch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and help us reach to our 1,000 subscriber goal by the end of the year.
Dang.
Oh, this is how we ride the waves?